Hello children, hope you all are keeping well. Today I am going to show you how to insert table in MS Word. See, as you can see, we have already opened MS Word, Microsoft Word, and on the top you can see all the tabs are there: Home tab, Insert tab, Page Layout tab. So for inserting table you have to click on Insert tab. Just see, click on Insert tab, then click on Tables. So when you click on tables, there are two options are there for creating table. Either using these grids, you can create table, or from insert table dialog box. So let us create table by using these grids. Suppose I want 4 columns. See, first column, second, third, four columns and 4 rows. So 4 rows we have selected. So when you click here, see the table is drawn, 4 columns and 4 rows. Now how to delete this table? Just select it. Select the table by using the mouse pointer and right click and cut it. Another way of creating table, go to insert table, click on insert table dialog box, using insert table dialog box. So when you click on insert table, one dialog box will appear, insert table. From here you can choose number of columns and number of rows. Suppose you are going to make your timetable, class timetable. So let us make it number of columns 8 periods. So using these spin buttons, you can increase or decrease. Upper one is for increasing and the lower one is for decreasing. So make it 8. And number of rows, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So 6 number of rows, 6 you can choose, or let us choose 6, 7. Let us choose 7, and this one you choose number of columns 9. Okay. Now one more option is there, auto fit behavior. Either you can choose fixed column width, auto, or measurement is here, or auto fit to contents, or auto fit to window. Let us choose auto fit to contents. So when you click OK, the table is created with 9 columns and 7 rows. So let us start writing, entering the data. So first let us write period, 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 and using the tab key, first period, then again tab, second, again tab, third, again tab, fourth, again tab, fifth, use the tab key, sixth, okay, again tab key, seventh, again eighth, again 8 tab key to go to the next row. Here you write down all the periods we have written, and we have to Monday days we have to write Monday, then you can write the classes. Okay, first period which class, which subject, all the subject names you can write. See here you can see Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, till Friday you can write. So you need one more row. So how to insert one more row? Just click this last row. From here you click it, and when you click it, layout option will come. When you click on the table and the last row, layout option will come. So click on the layout, and here you will get insert row below, insert row above, insert row below, and these are for columns, insert left, insert right. So click on insert below. See, you see row is inserted. So you can easily write Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Is it okay? Now you can fill it up and your timetable will get ready. Thank you very much.